Hey guys, Bailey here from Maverick Campers. Today we're going to show you how to set up your all-new Ranger Slide Limited V2 Annex. First thing you want to do is locate your pole map, which will be located in your peg bag inside the camper trailer. Once you've located that, lay out your poles accordingly. Then you want to follow through with hooking them on and zipping on the roof. So now what we're going to do is we're going to connect the Annex roof through to your zip here. Handy little tip is they're actually all labelled. Match it up on the inside and zip it all the way through. So once you've got your Annex roof on, what you want to do is use your hook pole, go through this little sock in the corner and hook that up in on the hook inside the camper. So what you're going to do now is hook on the middle pole as well as the one on the end, and then we're going to go around to the outside and do the rest. Join on your spreader by grabbing the canvas and moving through to the front and building your frame. So grab our spigot, join the corners together, like so, rest it on top of your shoulder, grab the canvas frame. Now we want to put the eyelet over the top. I just want to get a bit of height out of our pole here. Pull the canvas hook down. Move further along. By holding this support pole, we want to bring out a little bit of the pole. Grab our middle pole, join on the frame, grab the middle support pole, put the last spreader in the middle, making sure that the black clip always stays facing down. Rest that on your shoulder, line up the eyelet, and then again, you want to raise that pole. Just enough so you can reveal the hole. Grab our spigot and our spread and the last pole from the camper. Hook this on. Hook on the remaining pole. And again, line up the eyelet. So then you want to grab your last bit of your pole, join on the spigot, the remaining spreader, put on your canvas, tie off the canvas with your hook, spread out a little bit, move forward to the front, to attach your last spigot. Line up the canvas with the eyelet, extend it all the way out. Now you want to extend your canvases. Raise up the height. Make sure it's level with the main tent. And lastly, put in your D4, which spreads out here. That right there is how you set up the Annex roof on your all-new Ranger Slide Limited.